Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for this blessing and enhancing the beauty of this grand jubilee with your words. Now, I would like to call Angsuman sir to take to this podium and to take the program one step ahead. Please.
A wonderful, immensely pleasurable good evening to all of you. I would like to definitely thank our guests for coming today. We are privileged to have you, sir. The kind of wisdom, the kind of knowledge all of you possess, the kind of grandiosity you guys have, it's enough to make anybody nervous standing over here. So thank you for coming, sir. Okay, so the cultural part will be followed by our prize distribution. First, the prize distribution will go on, and after that, we'll be having our cultural part. So we had a series of competitions held in our school, which was called as your giant competitions. And it was for the following subjects: literature, science, mathematics, and Sanskrit. And we selected the winners from the junior group and the senior group. And I'm going to announce all of their names. And I would like to request our chief guest to present them the certificates. Okay, so the first competition goes Ravindranath Tagore Literature Giant Competition. And the first prize for the junior section goes to Miss Swati Sukruti of class 7. The first prize for Ravindranath Tagore Literature Giant Competition Senior goes to Tanushka Panda, class 11th Commerce. Okay, so the first prize for CV Raman Science Giant Competition Junior goes to Ayush Arpit Sahu of class 8. The first prize for CV Raman Science Giant Competition goes to Dipanshu Patra of class 11, senior. Now comes the turn of Ramanujan Mathematics Giant Competition, and the first prize, junior, goes to Shraddha Priyadashini Jaina, class 8. The first prize, senior, Ramanujan Mathematics Giant Competition, goes to Dipanshu Patra of class 11. The first prize for Vedavyas Sanskrit Giant Competition goes to Ashika Adishri Junior, class 7. The first prize for Vedavyasa Sanskrit Giant Competition Senior goes to Samayak Samantray, class 9. And there's this commencement of cultural program which you all had been waiting for. I would like to request all our anchors to be prepared. So let's start it.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 751003 हमारे दिलों से आपके दिलों तक जाने वाली स्पेक्ट्रा एक्सप्रेस TSG के प्लेटफॉर्म से रवाना होने के लिए तैयार है। कृपया यात्रीगणों से अनुरोध है कि अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लें और इस यात्रा का आनंद उठाएं। यात्रियों को हो रही किसी भी असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। धन्यवाद। May I have your attention please? Train number 7511003, the train connecting your hearts with our hearts, the Spectra Express, is ready to leave from the platform of TSG. Passengers are requested to tighten their seatbelts and enjoy the ride. Any inconveniences caused are duly regretted. Thank you.
मोबाइल फोन और सांगसाथी आपणक पिलाटीर पाठपढ़ा और कैरियर को प्रभावित करुछि कि आपण से विवृत कि तेबे आज ही आसतु आपण चाहूबा मन लगी संपूर्ण आवासिक स्कूल TSG गुरुकुल गोठपाटण भुवनेश्वर।